Hey there, I just wanted to record a quick video for you and Ethan so that you guys know how to access Edgenuity. I did get him all set up in Edgenuity. It's just the fall semester content is in there. So what the way that I do it is that for every lesson passed, at the end of every lesson, there's a quiz that he can actually have the opportunity to bypass each time if he gets 60%, or I think it's 70% or higher on the quiz, then he can bypass the whole lesson and move on to the next one. So for each lesson that's completed, including the quiz, he'll get a grade in the grade book. And so what I'll start doing is I'll just start replacing missing assignments with what he does on Edgenuity. And yeah, I mean, I've done this with other students, and they're able to bring their grade back to passing, and then that's how they earn their credit. So I just wanted to show you guys how to access it. So you still do need to log on to Schoology, but you don't need to do any of the work in there. You just come over here to materials, and then you see Edgenuity option right here. So this is how Ethan will access Edgenuity, is by clicking on that link. It says this for me because I am logged in somewhere else, and this is my teacher dashboard right here. Let me see if I can log out real quick here. I'm going to pause the video. Okay, so it wasn't letting me log out completely. It still thinks that I'm logged in. So anyway, but what will come up is just like the lesson. And that's all he'll see. He's not going to see a bunch of different assignments coming at him. It's just going to be what's right in front of him. If he gets below a 70 on the quiz, when he does the pre-test, then it'll just take him through the lesson. It only shows him page by page, so hopefully that will help with not a lot of stuff will be coming at him. It would just be the work that needs to be done right in front. So if you guys are having any trouble with this, please let me know. I'm more than happy to help out. Ethan, I would like for you to just try to get logged in. Follow the steps in this video here of how to access it. And just please let me know if you're able to get logged in. That's the only thing I need for you to do today. If you're able to get logged in and you want to start doing some stuff, great. But I would just really appreciate if you would get back to me and let me know if everything is working, you're able to log in and access things. Awesome. Thanks so much.